Hey coders, welcome back to the channel where we turn problems into solutions and bugs into less bugs. Today we are tackling a LeetCode classic problem 485 max consecutive with ones. It's short, sweet, and a perfect warm up to flex your array skills. We'll break down the problem and we write a clean and optimized solution, and I will even throw in a pro tip at the end to boost your coding game. So grab your keyboard, maybe a coffee, and let's dive into the one-liner magic. Let's go. So guys, let's start our 485 question by the name of max consecutive ones. So let's start. Now, it is giving me a one binary array by the name of nums, and we want to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. Our task is in today's video, we want to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. This is our task, and it has been giving me a binary array. Binary array means in the binary numbers. If you don't know what is binary, so you can come on it here and you will be learned about what is binary numbers. So there it will be told you the binary numbers. Binary numbers system according to digital electronics mathematics. A binary number is defined as a number that is expressed in the binary system or base 2 numerical system. Okay, you will be learned that. But let's come on it here our word file. Now we want to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. So there are two cases it has been given me. This is a first case and this is a second case. Now let's move on to the first case and let's read our first case. So here he gave one binary array by the name of nums. Here it has been giving me a one binary array by the name of nums, in which there he writes some numbers like 1 1 0 1 1 1. These are the binary numbers. 1 0, the 1 0 is a binary number. You must know that 1 0 is a binary number. So that's why it is calling this array binary, because there he wrote it down the binary numbers. So that is why. So here we are at 1 1 0 1 1 1, and the output will be coming 3. Why? Because the first, if you see the first two digits, first two digits are 1 1, or you see the last three digits. If you see the starting first two digits is 1 1 1, and the last three digits is 1 1 1. If you see, are consecutive ones. The maximum number of consecutive one is 3. So that's why the output has been coming 3. So I hope you understand. Now let's move to our case 2. Our case 2, there is the same. Here create one binary array by the name of nums, in which we write 1 0 1 1 and 0 1. If you see the first word, there he write 1, and if you see the middle two words, here he write 2 1, and in the last, here he write, in the last digit there is only 1 1, in the middle there are 2 1s. So that's why the output will be coming 2, because the first digit is only their first one digit digits is 1, and last, if you see the last one digit, there is only 1. No, let me tell you. If you see the first two digits is 1 and 0. Okay, and the middle two digits is 1 1. Okay, and the last two digits is 0 1. So if you see the middle two words, so there is coming 1 1. So that's 1 1 two times. So that's why there is output having coming 2. So that's why the maximum number of consecutive ones is 2. So I hope you understand. So these are the constraints which you use to solve this question. Okay. So but anyways, let's start a coding to solve it. And this is a question number 485, and is an easy one question which we are solving in today's video. And 2.5 million people have submitted this question, and only 1.6 million people has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 62.0%. and let's see the topic is on about array. The topic is totally on about array. Okay, now let's start to solve it. So first of all, like all the people know, whenever we start to solve any question of the LeetCode camp, we define a class of a solution, and we are solving this question in our Python 3. object semicolon enter. Now we define a def keyword. So here I define my topic of this video, find max consecutive ones. Okay, now perfect. Now perfect. Find max consecutive ones. Now when we do this very easily, as so in the rounded brackets I define self comma nums, then semicolon enter. Now two semicolons, double quotes here we define. Now in the double quotes I define type nums list, and we are solving in Python 3 list, and here I am defining a multi-line comment, r type int. Perfect. Enter. Now when you define this, so you define max I equals to result equals to 0, enter, enter. Perfect. Now you define here for num in nums semicolon enter, and num is our binary array. Okay, if statement, one more time I define num, because the num is a very main thing, because num is a binary array, okay, which we are using in this coding. Now enter. Result plus equals to 1 max I comma result, enter, backspace. Now here I define here else statement, result equals to 0. Here we create our integer by the name of result, in which we write 0, back. Now here I giving the output max I. So now our output will become. So let's see the running code. So now we write it over all the code. So when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. So when I run this code, so it has been accepted. Our expected output is 3, and my also output has been coming 3. And in the case 2, the expected output is 2, and my also output has been coming 2. But let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct. Here you can see it, and we solve in the 29 milliseconds, and I beat 48.17% people, okay, successfully, yes. And then I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and it will get to all the notification bell also. And I am pasting it in the solution, easy solution, 100% perfect in Python 3. Okay, I am posting it. Now let's meet you in the next class, and please visit my profile. My profile name is Rayyan, so go and view my profile, okay, and see my profile. But anyways, let's meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like that type of videos on the LeetCode Camp channel. Anyways, for today, goodbye.